Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change battery in Jaguar XJ key fob. Start by removing the mechanical key and setting it aside, then insert a coin into the seam to slowly twist the halves apart. Note the orientation of the battery and small plastic clips. Replace with a CR 2032 battery using clean hands or gloves. Press the halves together until they click, and test buttons before using your key. Once open, observe how the old battery sits and which side faces up. Carefully pry the CR 2032 free using a plastic tool to avoid shorting contacts or scratching components. Place the new CR 2032 in the same orientation, press gently until it seats, and check that any retaining clip engages. Before snapping the case closed, press a button to confirm the fob lights or locks, ensuring the replacement worked as expected. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more quick car tips. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle keeps you hydrated while you work on a fob, fits cup holders, and seals tightly so no spills on your bench. It's a handy companion during projects or long drives, and you can find the link and other deals in the description. Now let's get back to the video. With the new battery installed, line up the two housing halves and press them together evenly to avoid pinching internal parts. Slide the mechanical key back into place and test lock, unlock, and trunk buttons from a couple of paces. If a function is weak, reopen and confirm the battery sits flat and contacts touch metal. When everything responds reliably, your Jaguar XJ key fob is ready to use again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.